Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram username. Alright, let's get started. So first what you have to do is open the Instagram. So let's go ahead and open the Instagram website. So here you can see we are on our Instagram now. Sorry for that. So now what you have to do is click on your username. So here you can see this is my username over here. You can click over here, or you can click on profile as well. So once you click on profile, what you have to do is click on edit profile, and after you click on edit profile, here you can see these options, but here there is no option to change your username. However, you can change your photo over here. So you might be wondering, where can you change your username? So for that, what you have to do is click on this account center. So once you click on account center, it will redirect you to this page. Now let's click on Instagram and then click on username. So from here you can change your username like this, and now click on done, and it will take some time, and there you go, my username has been changed. So let's go back to my account, and that's it, my username has been changed. So that is how you will be able to change username on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.